Hi, welcome here. This is Sekhar Metla. I am the course instructor and let me tell you one thing. We are searching for C# coding for intermediate level who are completed a beginner level and to learning C# classes, methods and OOPS concept. OOPS is nothing but object oriented programming. Like a main 4 pillars are there for OOPS course. You may identify here in object oriented, like object oriented OOPS, classes, constructors, access and access modifiers. What are the access modifiers and how it would be added advantage to securing the project and coding levels, properties, get set methods, encapsulation and inheritance and polymorphism. Similarly, abstraction and interfaces, which are the majorly important in C# or any programming language. So you would be learn very detailed real world examples, including these all the options which are available in this particular course. So how to start OOPS programming, applying the encapsulation, improvising the security levels, like handling exceptions, understanding the problems with inheritance, and it would be starts like a scratch to like reach you the level of understanding of the concept very clearly. So what is the inheritance? How it would be applied using programming technologies? Very simple example, I would say inheritance is a parent-child model, and parent properties, how we are going to be inheriting to child, these properties would be inherited. So all these real type of examples would be added in this programming language. So it would be like I hope it will very low price through Udemy. We are offering this course, and like see here in Indian currency it is a 360 rupees only. Almost it's a 72% of off which we are offering. So 5 hours of on-demand course, full lifetime access, and access on mobile or TV, the features and certificate of completion you will get anyhow. If you are having any coupon also you can apply, you will get more discount rather than this. The course title is Learn C# Coding Intermediate, C# Classes, Methods and OOPS Principles and Concepts. You will learn like a step-by-step guide classes will be trained over here. And anyhow you will have, don't forget, a main important note, 30-day money-back guarantee is absolutely available for this enrollments. Don't wait, enroll today and grab this opportunity now only. Thank you.